Children, today we will conduct some chemical experiment. As the teacher worked with the chemicals, one of the kittens grew bored and dozed off. Don't you dare sleep during my class. Disrespecting me will earn you a bad grade, the teacher warned.
I'm so sorry, teacher.
All right, children, let's continue the experiment. But then, the teacher accidentally added the wrong chemical, resulting in an explosion.
Oh no, teacher.
The students exclaimed. You won't believe what happens next. Watch the full video in the link.